welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I did this beautiful brown, black, and silver double cut crease eye makeup look. I have an obsession of double cut creases. Why are you surprised? And I obviously added a red lip because it is Christmas. I'm so excited. So yeah, if you guys would like to achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, beauty babes, so first I'm taking out my Too Faced Naturalist bronzer, and I'm just going to be doing my bronzer slash contour. Now I'm just pulling out my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. And first I'm just going to be going into the color So Bougie and just putting that on my crease. I'm just going into the color Decadent and putting that on the outer corner of my crease, doing it very faintly. I'm just pulling out my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I'm just going to be doing a double cut crease, so I'm going to be making a spoon shape on my eyelid. Just going into the color Rich Girl and putting that on top of the concealer we just applied. And now I'm just taking a really tiny brush like this, and I'm going into the color Decadent and really defining the double cut crease on the outer corner crease line. Just pulling out my Too Faced Tutti Frutti liquefied eyeshadow in the color Guava Glitz and just putting this on top of the color Rich Girl. Going into the color Rolling in Dough and putting that on my brow bone. Pulling out my NYX Professional ZZ Point eyeliner in the color Hella Fine, and I'm just going to be doing a wing, but I'm going to be connecting the wing with the Decadent eyeshadow. Just pulling out my NYX Professional's eye pencil in the color Black, and I'm just going to be putting this on my waterline. I'm just going into the color Decadent and putting that underneath my eye about 3/4 of the way on the outer corner. Make sure you leave room on the inner corner area because we will be putting another color there. I'm just going back into the color Rich Girl and putting that the rest of the way underneath my eye. I'm pulling back out my Too Faced Tutti Frutti liquefied eyeshadow in the color Guava Glitz and putting that on top of Rich Girl underneath my eye. Okay guys, so I am back. I finished my other eye off camera and I added some lashes, and now we're moving on to highlighter and blush. So I'm just pulling out my Too Faced Fruit Cocktail Blush Duos, and this is in the color Berries and Bubbly. And I'm also just going to be taking a little brush and putting this in the inner corner of my eye. It's time for mascara, so I'm pulling out my Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. Finally, it is time for lipstick, so I'm just pulling out my Too Faced Melted Matte Liquefied Lipstick in the color Gingerbread Girl. Okay, beauty babes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any video requests or review requests or scene requests or anything like that, and I'll try my hardest to do them. If you'd like to follow me on my social media, you'll be looking it out right over here, and it'll also be linked down below, along with my latest video, which is playing underneath me right now. And if you ever do any of these looks, make sure to DM me or snap me or tweet me or anything like that, because I'd love to see them. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, it is obviously the subscribe button down below. And make sure you hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload any new videos. Okay? Bye bye, beauty babes. Love you. Merry Christmas. I got this headband on Amazon so I could start showing off my helix piercing. And it was like $8 and it's like really cute. Like, dang. Okay, that's all. You guys can go now.